Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. I'm pharmacytechlove. I've created a series of videos designed to help you become a certified pharmacy technician. Throughout these paid courses, you'll learn everything from pharmacy math and drug names, including both brand and generics, to SIC codes, pharmacy laws, and the ins and outs of both retail and the hospital setting. I know many of you have shared concerns about not getting the right material in the classroom. That's exactly why these videos are here, to supplement your existing coursework. My content isn't meant to replace your live or online classes, but rather to be an extra resource. Maybe call this your little cheat sheet to success. While these videos are tailored for pharmacy technicians, they're also perfect for anyone in healthcare, meaning future pharmacists, doctors, nurses, phlebotomists, and more. And a quick tip, please be sure to take notes while you watch. Pause the video whenever you need to jot down key points so you don't miss anything. Let's dive in. Communication in the pharmacy comes in many forms: verbal, nonverbal, written, and electronic. Communication in the pharmacy is one of the most important aspects of delivering safe, high-quality patient care. It also ensures patient safety, builds trust, and keeps the pharmacy running smoothly. So our first form of communication that we're going to discuss today is verbal communication. To be honest, the best way to practice verbal communication is to practice in the mirror. I always tell my students that if you are a person that is nervous, it is best to practice in the mirror because you will be talking to patients about their prescriptions, side effects, and proper medication use. You will be collaborating with healthcare professionals for clarification. You will also coordinate workflow with your team members. Let's also discuss nonverbal communication. This means your body language, eye contact, and even facial expressions. Professional posture and appearance to build patient trust. Remember, in the pharmacy, you don't want to be that person that's standing around with their arms folded or their hands on their hip where you don't look inviting to speak to. The next form of communication is written communication. This can be prescription labels, patient profiles, and documentation. You should always come to work with a notepad, two pens, and one Sharpie. You will document information daily, especially if you are an individual that likes to answer the phones. And remember, always try to answer the phone before the third ring. The reason why I said to bring a notepad and two pen, again, you will take notes and messages for healthcare providers and also for the pharmacist. The last form of communication is electronic communications. This can be e-scripts, which are electronic prescriptions, emails, EHRs, which are electronic health records, and pharmacy management systems. This can also be automated refill reminders and text messages to patients. Hi there. Let's talk about the importance of effective communication. Of course, effective communication plays a vital role in the pharmacy practice. It ensures patient safety by reducing medication errors. It builds trust and improves adherence. It enhances teamwork and workflow efficiency. And it also supports legal and ethical compliance through accurate documentation. Let's also discuss challenges in communication. Pharmacy communication isn't always easy. Challenges include language barriers in diverse communities, health literacy gaps where patients may not understand medical terms, there may be distractions or interruptions in a busy environment, or technological issues such as system errors or data entry mistakes. Let's also discuss strategies to improve communications. To overcome these challenges, pharmacies use strategies such as speaking in plain language, practicing active listening by making eye contact and asking clarifying questions, using translation services when needed, confirming understanding with the teach back method, basically just repeating back to the customer what they have told you. Okay. All right. The next one is following SOPs. SOP means standard operating procedures. And these standard operating procedures are for handoffs and phone calls. Maintaining professionalism at all times. We should all be following SOPs in any type of profession that you have. So again, that means standard operating procedure. Hello there, darling. I just wanted to come in and talk to you for just one moment, just to kind of give you a recap of exactly the role of the pharmacy technician. So pharmacy technicians play a key role in communication. They greet patients and gather information. They clarify refills and insurance details, accurately relay messages to the pharmacist, maintain confidentiality and HIPAA compliance. You will need to learn the acronym for HIPAA, which stands for Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. And last, we must always support the pharmacist with patient communication by flagging concerns early. Yes, you can speak with your pharmacist if you feel that something is inconsistent or it needs the pharmacist's attention. Let's get ready for the quiz. Which type of communication involves prescription labels and documentation? Verbal, nonverbal, written, or electronic? The answer is C, written. Written communication includes labels, profiles, and notes. Which of the following is an example of nonverbal communication? Prescription counseling, patient refill reminder text, body language and posture, insurance claim submission. The answer is C, body language and posture. Nonverbal communication influences trust and confidence. Why is effective communication important in pharmacy practice? Reduces overtime hours, ensures patient safety and builds trust, eliminates all technology problems, or allows skipping documentation. The answer is B. It ensures patient safety and builds trust. Safety and trust are the primary benefits. A patient who doesn't understand medical terms may be struggling with insurance issues, health literacy, nonverbal communication, written errors. The answer is B, health literacy. Patients may not understand medical jargon, and I also need you guys to remember, not everyone reads at a high level, okay? So please be patient with your patients. Which strategy helps confirm patient understanding? Repeating instructions quickly, teach back method, giving medical brochures only, or using technical terminology? The answer is teach back method. Patients restate instructions to confirm understanding. What is a major role of pharmacy technicians in communication? Prescribing medications, counseling on complex therapies, relaying information accurately to pharmacists, or approving insurance claims independently. The answer is C, relaying information accurately to pharmacists. Technicians support the pharmacist's decision making. Which communication challenge is common in diverse communities? Language barriers, technology errors, HIPAA compliance, written mislabeling? The answer is language barriers. Language differences make communication harder. Which of the following is electronic communication? Eye contact, prescription label, electronic health record, EHR, or paper notes? The correct answer is C, electronic health record. EHRs are a form of electronic communication. Why is professionalism important in communication? It guarantees faster service. It builds trust and credibility with patients. It avoids using technology, or it replaces standard operating procedures. The answer is B. It builds trust and credibility with patients. Professional demeanor reassures patients. Which of these is a team benefit of good communication? Lower inventory costs, improved workflow efficiency, higher prescription prices, or more insurance claims? The answer is B, improved workflow efficiency. A well-informed team reduces disruptions. Hey, thank you for purchasing this video and thank you for subscribing. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Also, if you know someone that is struggling trying to find a career move, please share my YouTube videos with them. I would really appreciate it. You guys have a wonderful day.